Okay, I'm going to show you how to monitor your Google Search Console using the all-in-one SEO and digital marketing dashboard. When you're logged into the dashboard, you simply go over to the left and click SEO and click Google Search Console. Now, the four primary things that the Google Search Console looks at is the overall impressions, your clicks, your average position, and your average click-through rate. But it does this for pretty much every keyword that you rank on Google for. So it will track up to 5,000 keywords that you rank for. So the difference between the Google Search Console and the rankings is only going to show you what you want to see. So the keywords that you choose, it will show you how you rank. This is going to show you every single keyword, so thousands more keywords. You can mouse over and click kind of any of these to kind of also see the trend line of how you're doing. This is a really good way to kind of see your overall visibility on Google. It will show you your clicks, your impressions, your impression trend line. And you can come down here and kind of sort by keywords, by clicks, by impressions, or the average position and the click-through rate. So one of the big values of this tool is to actually look through this long list of keywords to see which keywords you have some ranking and visibility for, but that you might need improvement. Also, it can give you ideas about various keywords that might be a good opportunity to improve. So this, again, monitors over 5,000 keywords that you rank for on Google. It also shows which page ranks, right? So just like the keyword, this is going to monitor the clicks, impressions, average position, and click-through rate of the different pages that you have. As well, it's going to monitor the countries where you get your traffic from or your searches from, and then the devices, right? We are a business to business, and so we get a majority of our searches are desktop, 80%. If you're in a business to consumer space, you're probably going to get a significantly larger amount from mobile devices. So it depends on the type of business that you are, and it gives you kind of a breakdown of how your website shows up in search results. So again, this is a really good way, again, to see your overall visibility of how all of your keywords rank on Google. It's a little bit different from the rankings, again, because you're only seeing exactly what you choose. This shows you everything that Google has. So that is simply how you monitor your Google Search Console stats using the all-in-one SEO and digital marketing dashboard. If you'd like a free trial of this, simply go to gemsu.com/dashboard. Thanks.